For some funny reason, we never liked the song. Every time he started the song, we started looking at each other, rolling our eyes with the song. Foot. But funny enough, 2005, we recorded it and we went on an American tour. When we first played at the welcome show, everybody was screaming and we were wondering, so this song is now a hit. So that's when I started liking the song. So the fact that we did not like it is also the reason why we put more effort in improving it.
I see.
Yeah. Because boredom is part of the creative process as well. Yeah,
Talk to me about that.
When you try to eliminate the boredom, you beautify the piece.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Well, it's monosophical. It is what it is. We say it like it is.